Did I take this information to Logitech to get more down the line? That's right. And so that's another thing that you guys can do as a part of your affiliate strategy. By doing this, you can prove to potential sponsors in the future that you can sell products. And that's a big reason why I have my current sponsor, Restream.io. As you guys can see right now, I'm streaming to multiple platforms at the same time. I'm streaming on Twitch, I'm streaming on YouTube, Periscope, and Facebook, and I am exponentially increasing my viewership because I'm streaming on those platforms. And one of the ways that I secured this Restream sponsorship, they sponsored this podcast, is that I showed them that I am able to sell products when I talk about them because I genuinely use them. And by the way, I'm posting a link if you want to pick up Restream right there in chat right now. I genuinely use these products and software and platforms. And one of the ways that I secured the Restream partnership and the sponsorship where they're paying me money to talk about their product and use their, well, I already use their product, but they're paying me to talk about it, is I showed them how I'm able to generate sales when I recommend things to my audience. You want to talk about being able to prove to a potential sponsor that if they give you money, you can generate real results for them? Check this out. I'm going to disappear. Look down here. In terms of how much product I sold this year on Amazon, I sold $615,000 in products on Amazon this year. I am a YouTuber that only gets a couple hundred views when my videos release. I only get a couple hundred views when my videos release on my channel. And I sold $615,000 in products in 2020. It's right here in front of your eyes. So any of y'all out there that are hesitant, and you're thinking, I can't do this. Awall, some huge YouTuber with 40,000 subscribers or whatever. I mean, look, when I released these videos recently, they 200 views, 130 views, okay? 150 views. It's not that impressive how many views I get right out the gate on my videos. The point of these videos is that they are searchable. People are going to discover them 6 months from now, 9 months from now. Me talking about these products, me recommending things like I'm telling you about in my videos, and you guys can do the exact same thing. I was also sponsored by Rode at one point as well. Yep, they gave me this microphone, the mixer, and the whole nine. That's right, that's right. Just a second, gaming creators, I just wanted to let you know about our Gaming Creator Bundle Sweepstakes. This is the biggest giveaway I've ever done. It's $1,100 in gear for gaming creators, including this microphone, shock mount stand. If you like the sound you hear right now, you could sound this good in all of your live streams and videos using this Rode package that they hooked us up with. Let me just show it to you. There's a link in the description below if you want to enter this sweepstakes. It includes this audio gear you see here, plus the super high-end Rodecaster Pro mixer, plus our friends over at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, and our friends at Restream threw in a Restream license if you want to stream to multiple platforms at the same time. This is gear and software I use to grow my channels and to help my clients, and gear that I recommend all the time. And it's freaking free to enter to win this. Link in the description below. I wish you the best of luck. I hope you get this gear, and at the very least, enter to win. At least you have a shot to pick it up at a cost of $0. Why not enter? Link below. Good luck, gaming creators.